In this recording, we'll show the module of automatic hole recognition and machining as it works on this part over here. Now, as you can see, this part is on a 5-axis machine, and it has holes from every single possible direction, whether it be on the sides, on an angle, on top over here. And you'll also note that if I go into my coordinate system manager, we only have one home position for this part. Now, the idea is to be able to scan the part, recognize everything that's in the part as far as the holes goes, and then put the appropriate process for every single one of those holes. This is done very simply. In just a few steps, by going into operations and going into our hole recognition technologies, we actually recognize every single hole that's in the part. As you can see over here, every single shape is recognized, and they're also all broken down into different group types. You can see them also on the part itself. As we go through the steps recognizing the different technologies, all we have to do is click on to build the technology features and then generate our operations. By generating the operations, we're actually at this point building the operation for every single one of those holes that we have in the part. Now that we're done, you can see that all the operations have been built. Let's exit the process and just do a simulation on the part. As you can see, everything is being drilled out in accordance to the actual hole type from every single side and angle. You can also see that if we go into our coordinate system manager, we automatically also create the different positions for every single hole type. This is the power of automatic hole recognition and machining. In just a few steps, you have multiple operations for every single hole that we have on the part.